everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last section, we have discussed about cost, financial, and management accounting. In this section, we are going to see what are the differences between cost accounting, financial accounting, and management accounting. Before discussing about the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting, let me say what is financial accounting. Financial accounting is concerned with the provision of information to external parties outside the organization, and it is concerned with the preparation of financial statement. Its main aim is to ascertain profit or loss and to show the financial position of the business. Then what is cost accounting? Cost accounting, we can say that it's an accounting for cost, and the main purpose is to ascertain the cost of a product and to control the cost and to communicate information for decision making. So let me see what are the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. The first difference is financial accounts deals with all commercial transaction, whereas cost accounting, it deals with the transaction relating to manufacturing and sale of products and services. The next difference is that a financial account, it deals with the external transaction, like it between business and outsiders, whereas cost account, it deals with internal transaction. The third difference is that the main object of a financial account is to ascertain correct profit or loss of the business and to show a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business. Whereas in cost account, the main object is to ascertain the true cost of the productions. Next one is financial account, it record only the actual cost, that is the historical cost is recorded, whereas in cost account it record both the actual cost and the estimated cost. Next is financial accounts are the accounts of the whole business, right? Whereas in cost accounting it is only a part of the whole accounts. The other differences are financial accounts, it is provided financial information only once in a year. Whereas in cost accounting, it furnishes cost data at frequent intervals, that is on the basis of daily or weekly or monthly, the data are given. Next one is financial accounting information is not sufficient to evaluate the efficiency of the business. But in cost accounting, it is very helpful in evaluating the efficiency of business. Then other point is, it emphasizes, that is in financial accounting, emphasis is on reporting and not on control. Whereas in cost account, emphasis is on control, that is the control on material, labor and overhead. The other difference is, financial account, it does not guide the formulation of pricing policy, but in cost accounting, it provides adequate data for formulating the pricing policies. And the last one is financial account, it discloses the net results of the business as a whole. Cost accounts, it discloses the net profit or net loss of each department, job and product. So these are the main differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. Next we can see what are the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. As I already explained that cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of a product and to control the cost and to communicate the information for decision making. Whereas what is management accounting? Management accounting, it is concerned with the supply of information which is very useful for the efficient running of the business. So next we can see what are the main differences between cost accounting and management accounting. Cost accounting main purpose is to ascertain the cost of a product or services. But in management accounting, the purpose is to provide information to the management for planning, controlling and decision making. On the basis of scope, we can see that cost accounting includes only cost ascertainment and control. In management accounting, it includes financial accounting, cost accounting, budgeting, tax planning and reporting to management. Then on the basis of data used, cost accounting, it uses only quantitative information, whereas in management accounting, both the quantitative and qualitative informations are used. Then we can see that on the basis of nature, cost accounting, it deals with cost ascertainment. But in management accounting, it deals with both the cost and revenue. Then on the basis of the emphasis, we can see that cost accounting based on historical and current data. Both the past and the current data are used. But in management accounting, it is concerned with the transaction which is related to the future. Next, on the basis of the principle, we can see that cost accounting, it is established principles and procedures are followed for recording the cost of different products. Whereas on management accounting, no specific rules and procedures are followed. It is prepared and presented as per the requirement of the management. Next, we can see what are the differences between financial accounting and management accounting. So, on the basis of purpose, the first difference is financial accounting is to ascertain profit or loss and financial position and present them to owners, creditors, governments. Whereas in management accounting, the main purpose is to provide information to management for the purpose of decision making. Okay, next one we can see that on the basis of the nature of information in financial accounting, data, that is it records the historical data related to the past. Whereas in management accounting, it is concerned with future plans and operations. Next, we can see that on the basis of accuracy, financial accounting, it gives more emphasis on accuracy, but in management accounting, it lays more emphasis on quick and prompt reporting. Then we can see that in management accounting, it's based on the generally accepted accounting principles and convention. But in management accounting, no, it is not based on rigid principles, but based on the internal requirement of management. Then on the basis of the period, in financial accounting, it is prepared for a particular period. Whereas in management accounting, there is no specific period for which management accounts are prepared. Next, we can see that financial accounting, it is mainly used for the external parties, whereas management accounting, it is used by the internal parties. Then in financial accounting, audit is more or less compulsory, but in management accounting, audit is not compulsory. So these are the main differences between financial accounting and management accounting. So let's how we make a financial accounting, let's see. So first one is journal, then ledger, trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet. Then for cash inflow and outflow, we use cash flow statement, fund flow statement. So these are very necessary for making financial accounting. Next one, for making cost accounting, we need cost sheet, process costing, job costing, inventory requirement, then contract costing, batch costing, direct costing, and indirect. Direct and indirect, it will come, it gives material cost, labor cost, then overheads, that is factory overhead, office and administration overhead, selling and distribution overhead, all comes under this direct and indirect cost. Then we can see that how we make a management accounting, that is ratio analysis, trend analysis, cash flow analysis, budgetary control, marginal costing, standard costing, then break-even sales, profit volume ratio, all this come under management accounting. Hope you like my video. Thank you.
Running like a Hellcat.